Hello guys, this is MasaudSec. I hope all of you are doing well. So this is going to be a series on OSINT leak, and I will basically teach you about its different features. And today the feature that we are talking about is how we can get someone exact geolocation if we have only the IP address. Because most of the time what happened when you got someone IP, let's say someone scammed you online and you want to track him down, but the issue is when you will try to trace that IP address, you will not be able to get the exact geo coordinates. This is the main problem. You can get like approximately his or her city details are proven, something like that, but not exact geolocation. In order to solve this issue, we have a tool which is OSINTleak.com. By the way, this is going to be a series with multiple videos because I'm going to talk about its multiple features, but right now I'm going to introduce the one that I love the most. So it is one of my favorite, and there is really more powerful feature we will be learning about. So I already have the account on it, and if you go to the tool section, like here, we have a different feature. But right now, let's click on IP info, and in IP info, let's say I run a tool, Zfisher, and just to pull out my IP address, just to get my IP address is simple. Okay, so what I'll do in this case, I'll paste it up, and I will wait for the IP to capture. Now you can see this is my IP address basically. This is my IP address. And okay, this is fine. If you copy it up and go to the Google, for example, I'll do it in private mode, it will be more fine. Um like find the IP address location. So there are some multiple tools. Let's go to this one, and then this one, and then this one. Sorry, not in this way. The third one and the fourth one. I'll be just comparing, these two different results. No, the thing is, that currently, currently, like you can see, seems like it's showing me another country. I'm not from here, guys. I'll be honest, because my location is from Pakistan. Yeah, so let's try another one. And it is also giving me a location, from Dubai. So it might be possible that there is something wrong. But let's refresh it one time. Let's quickly refresh it. And also regarding with this, let's refresh this one time as well. Let me do it quickly. Okay, no problem. I'm getting UAE. I'm getting UAE details of, but I know I'm not from UAE. So this happened when you try to find the details related with IP address. Let me paste the IP one more time here to show you, and you can clearly see UA because I'm connected through VPN, but the problem is the location is set on Pakistan. It is not UAE. Okay, so but if I copy the same IP address here, and if I go to the official tool, yeah, let me paste it here and let me search for it. And you can literally see that it is giving me the exact thing as expected. This is literally powerful. So you can see the country, this is Pakistan, and the state or province, it is Sindh, and the city is Karachi, and the locality is Liari town, and this is the exact coordinates that I'm expecting. So if I copy it up and I go to the Google and search for, let's say, maps. google Google map will be fine. Let's go to the Google Maps, and here if I paste it these coordinates, you can see that literally it is giving me my exact location. This I'm from here. Okay, so this is how this powerful thing work. Like, you can compare this thing with the others. Literally, they are not going to provide you the exact thing. The one will say it is from United Arab Emirates, the city is Diba, this is the longitude and longitude, the ESP. No, these are literally, most of the time, most, not most, but all time, they are not going to give you the exact thing. These are the fake things. In order to hunt down for the exact location, and this is the best tool that I ever used. I'll be honest with you. This is one of the best thing, and this is, you can clearly see this was the location information, and then we have a time zone, and then we have a country details. We have, by the way, network information. Okay, and then we have some security report, and moreover, we have carrier information. Like, you can see each and everything, IPv4 block, and yeah, via carrier. And then we have the administrative divisions. Okay, this is how it works. So this was the first video related with OSINT Lacom, and this is one of the best tool. You can directly purchase it. I'll provide you the link. I'll pin it in the first comment. The link is osintleak.com, and here you can read more about it. Real time OSINT leak monitoring, stop breaches before they happen. So you can monitor compromised credentials in exposed infrastructures and sensitive data leaks across the surface, deep and dark web, before attackers can exploit them. And yeah, there is so many features that we will be going through it one by one. You can also check their plans. We have a free plan, and then we have a premium plan, and then we got this custom plan. So yeah, that was all for this video. And by the way, one more thing, if you guys are interested in learning ethical hacking, cybersecurity, and penetration testing, I do provide one-on-one live mentorship, and I do have a recorded sessions as well. You can go for it. I'll be teaching you each and everything. Want to go for the demo video, just click here. If you are looking for the modules that I'll be teaching, you just need to visit here. And by the way, I have 34 plus modules that will be, even though I'll be teaching you about these tools, how to apply them in real life, how you can how you can hunt on bug bounty platform using these tools, like Ascent Lake, bypassing admin panels, all those stuff, not in an illegal way. Okay, so for example, I literally hunted many bugs with the help of it, and I have details available on LinkedIn and on my Facebook page. You can simply visit it. So yeah, by the way, I have 34 plus modules, and it contain each and everything. So the thing is, I'll see you in the next video. Take care, have a good day, bye.